Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain day function in Excel. Guys, basically by using day function we can get the day value from the specified date. So by default Excel stores date as a serial number. Okay. So based on this we can extract only this day value. Okay. How to do that? I will explain practically how exactly this day function will works. Okay. Go to formula bar equal to day. See here it accepts serial number. Why? Because Excel return date as a serial number, so that's why it accept only date type data. So that's why I'm selecting this date data and close this bracket and hit the enter. See it written as a day value, so day value is 28. Like this day function extract day value from the specified date. Okay, now I drag this. See, automatically whatever day values are presented in this specified date, all the days are extracted. So like this day function will works in Excel. Okay. So now I will show you one more example. In this example, we have date and years. Now I want to add these years to this date. Then what is the output? So by using this day function, we can do these operations also. I will show you how exactly this operation will works in Excel. Okay. Go to formula bar equal to day. In this day I have mentioned not day guys, date. In this date you have mentioned year. Okay, year already presented in this specified date format, right? See, this is the year, this is the day, and this is the month. So that's why I'm selecting this A13 cell. Close this bracket. I want to add months also, so that's why I'm selecting month. Okay, month. So month also presented in this particular A13 cell, right? So that's why I'm selecting this A13 cell. Okay, close this bracket, comma, I want to get the date also. So 16th is the date, so that's why I'm entering day. So day is also presented in this A13. Select this and close this bracket and hit the enter. See, automatically generated. So now I have do one mistake. I'm not adding this year, so that's why it written same date. So now I want to add these years for this particular data. See, now I will try to hit the enter button. See, now it will add 10 years for this date. If I add 2015 10 years, so value become at 2025, right? Same exact date will return. So like this date function will works in Excel. Okay. So now I drag this. See, automatically generated. Okay. So like this the day function will works. So and one more thing, one more example is I want to get the first day of this all the dates. So how to do that I will explain. Okay. First, day is presented this particular A24 cell, right? So select that particular cell first, equal to A24 cell. So next I am using day. So this day is extracted from this specified date. Oh, so that's why I'm selecting again this A24 cell. Okay, plus 1. Okay, what exactly this formula will do? So actually this 23 days presented this A24 cell. Now again I am subtract this 23 date from this date format, then I will add 1. So whenever we are adding 1, that day will add it automatically for this particular date. So now I will hit the enter button. See, automatically day will added as a 1. So like this day function will works in Excel. Okay, now I drag this. See, automatically all the months first date will generate it. So like this also this day function will works in Excel. Okay. Now one more example is in this date we have March month, February month and November month. I want to find the how many days presented in this particular month. Okay, how to do that? Simple, we are using end of the function in this particular day function. Okay, so I'm using one more function to get the how many days presented in this particular month. So that's why I'm using end of the month function also. How to use, I will explain. Equal to day, in this day I am passing end of the month function, then select that particular cell. In my case I am selecting A36 comma 0. 0 indicates you want to calculate current date. If you mention as a 1, it is calculate next month. So now I want to calculate only current month, so that's why I'm select entering as a 0. Okay, close this bracket and hit the enter. See, March month have 31 days. Okay, now I drag this. See, February month have 28 days and November month have 30 days. So like this also this day function will works in Excel. Okay, so these are the various ways of using day function in Excel, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, thank you.